Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra and today I'm just going to be doing this little look using the KOKO by Kylie Cosmetics new collection, and I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using the lipsticks, and then I'm just going to be using some products that I've been really loving lately and can't really seem to put them down. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Also, if you need a reminder, drink water. Clip her hair back. So my eyebrows are already done because I haven't got them threaded in 2 months. So they are a bit bushy right now. Need a little help, a little TLC. Just haven't had time to go get them. So they're taking a lot more effort lately to do. So I just did those first on camera. So we are gonna go in with a little SPF from Drunk Elephant. Now, even if it is overcast, still use SPF. It's always a good idea. And this one does have a little bit of a tint to it. And then we're gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This has also been something I've been reaching for a lot lately. I've also been using the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation quite a bit. Now, when I checked my color match at Sephora, it said I was 0CR. But I actually find when I mix 0CR and 0 neutral together, it's actually a better look for me. So we'll mix a little bit of those two together. Just mixing those on my little palette here. These are actually coasters that a local artist in Vancouver makes. His name is Pickering. And he actually has a really cool Instagram. I'll put his Instagram and link down below. Okay. Now I'm going to go into the Marc Jacobs, I don't know what this is. It's one of their new powders in the shade Accomplice, which is a little bit dark, but it just brings everything all together. It looks really pretty. For contour, I usually go in with the Cosmic Forest Mineralize blush from MAC. It's a really pretty shade for contouring because it doesn't have, it's more of like a cool undertone, and it's really good for fair skin. So I'm just gonna take this little Morphe R10. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with, oh, should I do today? I think I'm gonna mix the Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzer. I'm gonna mix a little bit of Inda Sun and I'm not even gonna attempt that because I'm not Rihanna. So I'm just gonna butcher those two names. I'm just gonna do the two lighter, which put them together, and they are a lot different, but mixed, they are perfect. And then for blush, I actually didn't use this for the longest time, and then I found it again. It's the Nars Orgasm, which which is just a good staple to have. So I'm gonna take that on this Scott Barnes 64 brush. And when I do blush, I usually like to blend it into my bronzer a little bit on the upper parts. I did get the new KOKO by Kylie Cosmetics collection. It does come with a highlighter. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it now. So this is True Mama, which it's super light. My lights might be a little bit too bright for it to really show up. It's pretty. Let's see how it swatches. It's a little, I mean, you don't really see it that much. Let's try with a brush. Maybe it's one of those highlighters that you need to use a brush with. So I'm gonna go in with, let's do a bit of a denser brush, I think. I'm gonna go in with the MAC 133. Maybe. Or try with my finger, maybe? Like it's just, it's a really weird texture. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, we're not gonna use this because there's literally nothing coming off of it. I don't understand that. So we're gonna go in with one of Kylie Cosmetics Loose Ultra Glows. This one she came out with a couple of years, maybe like last Valentine's Day, maybe? Like last year Valentine's. This is in the shade Queen. I don't know if it was Valentine's Day or birthday collection maybe, but Ultra Glows are always good. So let's get into eyes now. So I am going to be going in with the KOKO palette. Hopefully this works better than the highlighter did. Can always hope. So I'm just going to grab a Scott Barnes 62 brush and I'm going to go in with this shade True's Mom. Also, oh my goodness, how cute is True? Like, so cute. All right, I'm gonna pick up that. yeah, I'm gonna be popping on the MAC 76 Lash. And I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty lash glue. Now, if you have never used this, you need to get on it. It is such a good lash glue. It is fast drying, it's waterproof. Literally was wearing lashes in the pool the other day and they didn't move. So okay, now last but not least, lips. Outside of my lips and just a little bit of the top. Spray. So I think overall I like the collection. I think there's a few of the lip came in like a set of 4 that I didn't get. Unfortunately, like this highlighter, it just like it looks really pretty in the pan. It really does, but there's just nothing there. So I would not get this. But the eyeshadow palette is cute. I like the colors. I definitely think it's definitely Chloe colors, the neutrals, the more bronzy aspects to it, but it is very pretty. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like it, and I will leave everything that I used in the description down below. Make sure to check out my Instagram at Kendra Schuster, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.